Hello and welcome to this week's SWESIT Maths video. This week we are looking at permutations of objects and how many different ways we can arrange them. So here we have 3 different colour circles. How many ways can we arrange them without repeating the pattern? Now the answer to this tells us a number of permutations or possible solutions to this problem. So let's take a look. We've got our 3 colour circles here, green, purple and red, and we can see that we've arranged them in one pattern already. So let's see what else we can do. So I'm going to start off by moving this green one and then swapping the other 2 over. Then we'll start with purple first, and then the other 2 colours. And then we'll finally finish with the red one first, and then the other 2 colours. Now there's no other ways that we can do this particular pattern, so we know that we've got 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different possible permutations for this particular pattern. Now when we do this type of thing, it's super important that we work systematically. So to start with, we have green at the beginning, so I've kept the green at the beginning and just swapped the other 2 round. Then swap to purple, again moving the other 2 colours around, and then onto red, swapping the other 2 colours around. By doing it this way, it keeps it a lot easier to keep track of what we've done and what we still need to do. So it can work the same way regardless of the number of objects. So here we've got 4 different colours this time. Now, we can do what we did before and arrange them using different colours, kind of draw them all out, so we've got the correct answer. However, that will start taking a long time, especially when there's more objects. So, is there a better or more efficient way of calculating the number of different ways we can do this? So let's use our multiplication skills to work out the number of possible solutions. You can see in the corner here we have 4 coloured circles. Now we can arrange and draw them different ways, as earlier, but I think there's a quicker way of doing it. So, as we've got 4 different colours, that means we have 4 different choices for our first one. So let's move on, let's put the green first. Next up though, we've only got 3 colours left, so we have 3 choices. So let's move the black one. Now we've got 2 left, so 2 choices, and then finally we've only got 1 choice left. So we can work this out by using our multiplication, as I said before. So at the beginning we had 4 choices. So we start off with 4. For the second lot we had 3 choices, and then we had 2 choices, and then finally we had 1 choice. Now if we work out this multiplication problem, we work out the number of possible solutions. So 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 gives us 24. So that means if you have 4 different colours, you can arrange them in 24 different ways. Now let's check that with one we already know. So again, we've got our 3 coloured circles. So if we move the green one to begin with, we had 3 possible choices and we move the green one. That's 3 choices. We have 2 choices left. Let's move the purple one. So we had 2 possible choices there. And then finally, we've got the red one, our only choice. So we're multiplying by 1, which gives us 3 times 2, and then times 1. And as we know, that gives us an answer of 6. And if we go back to this choice before, we know that there are 6 possible outcomes and 6 possible permutations. So that's how we can calculate the number of possible solutions to arranging a pattern of different colours or different objects. And that's it for today. See you soon.